Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. You already know. If you have any questions too, make sure to drop on below. I will be happy to make a video for you as well, just like the over 100 videos I made on Shopify customization. And they were mostly requests. Mostly they were requests by subscribers and some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Just a like is fine. And wait actually until you see if this video helped you out. If it did, then press the like button. I would really appreciate it. And if it didn't, don't press the dislike button. Never do that. Never do that. Anyway, in this video, I will show you how to change the word sort by on the collection page for your Shopify store. And this is a request again by one of my subscribers, long-time subscribers. And here am I making the video for him, and it was requested more than a week ago because I have too many requests. I have to delay some of them so I can live, so I can sleep, so I can eat, so I can anyway, so this option is already available. I mean, not already available, but there is a trick you need to do just to access that section and change the word. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. As you can see now, I'm in Shopify dashboard. I have down team, the last version as of now, which is 15, and they have every other team available as well. Why is that? Because every trick I do share on my channel, I do implement it in down team, the last versions, and I do implement it on the other free teams as well. So if you use down or any other free team, it will work for you just fine. So let's just get to it. The first thing you're going to do in order to change the sort by word on collection pages, simply click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code on the not edit code, sorry, edit default team content, the last option. Simply click on it, then it will show you a bunch of words here for different things. Simply use the search bar on top and type in sort by, not by buying, but by. So here we go. So as you can see, the first one is accounts, not the thing we are looking for, not this thing, is the second. So in here, it says sort by. Let's just change it and set it as pick by, something like that. Make sure to change it anything you want. I'm just changing to something else simple so you can see the changes. So let's just click on save and we will back to Shopify dashboard, which is this one, Shopify store, and we will access some collection. Let's just access this one. Here we go. It says pick by, not sort by. So you can change this to any word you want actually. And it's very simple, right? So that's how you change sort by word on collection page for your Shopify store. And if you have any questions, drop them below. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.